Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, here we are at CNS Tyres in Middlesbrough. We're getting some new tyres for the Tahoe. But check this thing out, honestly guys, it's absolutely mint. 15 years old this thing, and I'm just going to take you right round it now, just to have a look at the condition of the car. Check this out guys. This is why I imported it from California. Yeah guys, look at the condition of this. This is why I imported it from California. You ain't gonna get less in the UK for a 15-year-old truck. I've gone old school. I don't want a keyless entry car. This is why I imported a truck from California. Those discs, man, perfect. Just stunning condition. Look at the axle. It's just a proper truck. Look at that spare wheel. Look at it. It's never been on before. That's never been on. So these are the tyres I've got guys. These are 275 60 20s. BF Goodrich. That's what's going on. Now we'll put the new tyres on. Balancing. See how far out these are. Quite well, that one. Do they just go on the back? The weights?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Is that a heavy weight you have to put on there then?
No, well, it's for the 165 grams, 155 on the other fork.
So we've taken the spacers off guys. This will bring the wheels back into the wheel arches. You see these were on. That's how far they were sticking out. So yeah, bye bye to the wheel spacers. Right guys, let's see what this drives like now with the new tyres on, the BF Goodriches. Truck's just absolute, I'm loving this truck. So guys, you can keep your Range Rovers. So far I've had this thing now 2 weeks and she's driving lovely. Now I've got new tyres on. The tyres were too wide. Now they're in the body line. Took the spacers off the back. So yeah, this thing rides so nice. Just listen to her. Just to let you guys know what it's like to drive left-hand drive. Do you know, it's sometimes easier. You're nearest to the curb as well. I used to have a Dodge Ram 2006 I bought the Dodge Ram. Put this window up. and I had that for about 7 years, and fantastic it was. The only bad thing about this is the insurance. The insurance is ridiculously expensive. Once, because I've had a claim, you know, you guys know I've had my Range Rover stolen. That's really goes against you, which is quite unfair, really. But anyway, so far so good. This thing's driving fucking lovely. Right guys, all new tyres on. Fantastic. The truck, let's just walk you around this thing. It's just awesome. She's just whirling away. What else I like about this thing? There's my trailer. Now we just take this plastic molder off. Okay, that comes off just like that. Get it in the boot. Right, there's my tow bar, guys. Just pull the pin out there. And then we're just going to slide her in. Just like that. And the pin goes in. Something else a Range Rover can't do. There you go. All ready to hook up. The rear view camera's really good as well. Just going to back up to that now. Well guys, the truck drives awesomely on these new BF Goodrich tyres. So on that note, seeds above it all.